What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Fitbit Versa 3. It just came out to the people who pre-ordered, like me. And the Fitbit Versa 3 is Fitbit's third attempt or the third iteration of the original Fitbit Versa we saw in 2018. And this is a mid-range smartwatch which attempts to give you the most value for your money. And in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of it, and it packs futuristic health technologies, a new bezel-less display, a thin design, and so many more cool things. So stay tuned for an awesome unboxing, and for more awesome videos like this one, please subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a huge difference. I need all the help that I can get from you guys, but for now, let's get on to the unboxing. Alright guys, this is the Fitbit Versa 3 box, as you can see right here. I actually ordered the Fitbit Sense as well. That should be coming in the mail soon. That unboxing video will also be coming, but this is the Versa 3. It's a pretty small box. I mean, it's not really much to it. Just the Versa 3, as you can see already out here in the box. This bezel-less design is what I'm looking for. Anyways, let's get on to the unboxing. So Fitbit makes it pretty easy for you. There's a slot right here to take it off. You just peel that little part off, then you start unpacking. Oops. Okay, so after you take that little slip off, you can just slide this right on out, and boom, you're presented with this Fitbit case. If you can see this right here, there's a little Fitbit logo. It's kind of faint, but there is a Fitbit logo here. It's very minute. And then let's open it up. Wow, this is a nice presentation. I haven't seen this from Fitbit, and the Fitbit Versa 1 that I used to have did not have this presentation. And as you can see right here, there's a style and a power. So power is probably the battery connections, all that stuff. Style is the band, as you can see. And the centerpiece, an elevated Fitbit Versa 3, which that's great presentation by Fitbit. I didn't see this, as I said before. And honestly, Apple doesn't do anywhere close to this. And I don't think Samsung does either. So Fitbit, props to you. This is amazing presentation. I really like it. I've seen this kind of layout in laptops before. I'll do it again for you guys. It's kind of like, it's cool, you know, it's those little things that matters, and it just kind of grabs your attention. Well then, let's get to the real thing. So let's pull out the band. They call it style, but I'm gonna pull the band out. If you can see that in the back of this, there is a little slip for the band. I think this is the medium large one. So the bigger band, if you do want it, yeah, it's called a large band. Right here, large band. And there's also some instructions back here, which I mean, this is a thick packet and it's a smartwatch. I think I know how to use it, but set these aside. Then let's flip on to the power. So this flips out the same way as the other one did. It's just that this one has a little slip up in the back. And I mean, let's set this aside. I think this is just a little cable. Oh yeah, see this? Fitbit makes it really easy, and companies these days, they make it so that you don't need a knife or an unboxing knife or a scissor or whatever. You can open this, and then you get to the charging cable, which it's pretty good, you know? It has a little Fitbit logo over here, and it's a magnetic charger, which I assume goes on the back of the Fitbit. Not like the magnetic dock or the hockey puck type of design, but it's still pretty cool. Let's get to the centerpiece of the Fitbit Versa 3 unboxing today, and that is the actual Fitbit itself. So pull it right out of here, and wow, it's really light. Dang, I didn't expect that from Fitbit, but I did talk about it in my first impressions video, and in some comparisons, this is a really light product. Wow, yeah, it's really light. All right, let's do this. And there we go, the Fitbit Versa 3. Wow, this is one nice smartwatch. It's built really well. This is the blue and gold color, as you can see here. I really like this color, and I have to see if the small one fits me or the larger one fits me, but the bands look pretty nice. They're good silicone bands. If this one does not fit you, of course, you do have the larger band over here. You can pick whichever one you want. The display itself, I can see it already, and if you can't, maybe in this angle you can. The bezels are much thinner and the display is curved. Instant improvement over the Versa 2, I can see it already. And I will roll clips on, the different display and after I get it set up with my phone, but this is a really nice smartwatch. It's really nice. And I'm pretty sure this is the speaker, and then this is the microphone as well. No physical buttons on this. That's a cool design. That's a different design. I mean, we haven't seen that much. I mean, there's usually at least one button, and even on the Fitbit Versa 2, I'm pretty sure had one button on the side. So that's something different for Fitbit. Comment down below which color is your favorite. I think blue and gold is definitely my favorite out of the bunch. But comment down below which one your favorite is. Before we end the unboxing, the actual unboxing itself, here are a few things that I just wanted to mention. The design itself, in the first impressions I was talking about how the watch is a bit more curved and it's a very square design. I stick by that. This is a very square design, but there are curves which make it look more like a traditional watch, you could say. It's not as rectangular as the Apple Watch or as a perfect circle like the Galaxy watches, but it just looks really nice. It's a nice blend between both of the colors. The design looks really well. The bands itself are much more well crafted, and this is using the new band architecture that Fitbit did develop. And I can see it over here. It's not the clunky mechanism anymore. There's just a simple click over here, and then you can get rid of the bands. I'm not gonna do it right now, but it's a much more streamlined design. I feel like it's polished, and on the third attempt, Fitbit looks like a finished product. It looks like something that I could recommend someone to buy because it's a really complete product now. So there was the unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, but the one thing that really stuck out to me in that whole unboxing was the presentation. As I did say, the way they neatly arranged it, you have the style, which is the band, and then you have the power, which is the battery, the connector, the charging cable, all that sort of stuff. It was neatly arranged, and then the centerpiece was the Fitbit Versa 3 itself, and it was a really nice way to arrange it. And usually smartwatches, we don't see it. It's usually the band and then the watch itself. You attach the band onto it and you're good to go. But in this one, it was a much more elegant experience in my opinion, and it was still a small box, it wasn't anything massive. I really like that experience. It's better than any other smartwatch that I've seen before. On my first wear, as I'm wearing it right now, I feel like it's much lighter than some other smartwatches that I wear. I have a stainless steel Apple Watch, and I guess that's a lot heavier. This is an aluminum watch. When I do get the Fitbit Sense, I will be unboxing it and talk about that weight as well, because that's a stainless steel watch. But this aluminum watch is really light. I like how it fits on my wrist. The display goes to the edges, which I really like over last year's Versa 2, and it's overall a really great product. I'll be going over the small things, the bigger things, the outlying things that I've noticed on the smartwatch in my full review. To watch that first, please subscribe down below. As I said, you can also get access to all my other videos by subscribing, but to get to that full review, first, please subscribe. And also, I'll talk about the, bigger things, what I've noticed, how the sleep tracking has kind of worked out for me, all that sort of stuff, because I know you guys are, waiting to hear that stuff. It's going to be coming in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But for now, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.